Masonry structures for drainage line treatment. Masonry structures are obstructions made on second or third order streams with the use of cement, sand, steel and stones. There are three main types of masonry structures: weirs, stop dams and masonry dams. The main objective of the masonry structures is to reduce the velocity of stream flow and to store water primarily for irrigation. In addition, these structures increase the groundwater recharge, thereby recharging open wells located downstream. These dams can also be useful for fisheries. The spillway of these structures can be very helpful in gauging discharge of the catchment area. The catchment area of these structures usually vary from 50 to 100 hectares, sometimes even more. These are constructed on a moderate slope of 10 to 15%. The height of these structures are usually restricted to about 6 meters in mountain regions. We will now try to know more about the different types of masonry structures. Weirs. These are masonry structures primarily designed to check the flow and raise the water level at a particular location on a stream. Usually, these structures are about 1.5 to 2 meter high. The increased head of water is diverted to agricultural fields through channels or canals for irrigation. The main problem with such structures is their siltation. To avoid this, smaller engineering or vegetative structures should be established on the upstream side. Stop dams. These are modified form of weirs. Here, mild steel gates are made over a masonry structure which can be opened or closed when required. By closing the gate, an additional head of water gets stored. After using the stored water for irrigation, mainly during the Rabi season, the gates are opened. In early monsoon, the silt trapped behind the structure escapes with the stream flow. In the middle of the monsoon season, these gates are closed for storing water for irrigation during the lean season. A very practical problem associated with these structures is the regular opening and closing of the gates. Because of this, a stop dam may start functioning as a weir. Masonry dams, also called as gravity dams, are high-rise structures. Their height vary from 3 to 6 meters depending on the location and the catchment area. These are generally constructed at or near the outlet points of a watershed. The most important component of the masonry dam is its spillway. Since the structures are expensive, safe design of spillway is very important. As stated earlier, the spillways can also be used for gauging discharge of the watershed. The design of the spillway of masonry dam can be better understood with an example. For a 50-hectare catchment area with good forest cover and loamy soil having longest drain length of 3.5 km, the peak discharge works out to be 5.56 cumex. For a maximum head of 0.6 meter on the spillway, the length of the spillway works out to be 6.5 meter as shown in the slide. Though masonry structures are expensive, they are very useful for irrigation and aquaculture. A good site selection along with upstream treatment measures can make these structures cost effective and sustainable.